Gaillardias are Indian blankets, as the common name is. I've been painting them for decades in one way or another. I love them. I'll do them in a realistic fashion. I'll do it in impressionistic fashion. Might do them in acrylics. I might do them in watercolors. I'm originally from Texas. I grew up with these things. Every spring, seeing pastures, fields, roadsides covered in masses of them, along with the other wildflowers, Texas wildflowers, but this one I really love to paint. There's such variety, and I love the stages of the flowers as they're growing older and beginning to wilt. The seed pods become this pom-pom when they're little buds and they're about to open. They've got these spiky little leaves around them, and they just got a lot of character, and I love to emphasize the various aspects of it. Sometimes I'll show them in a bouquet, and sometimes I'll use a singular flower. That's actually my favorite. Years ago, decades ago, as a matter of fact, 30 some odd years ago, I painted billboards when you had to have an artist to do it, and I did a series of PSA wildflower boards in Central Texas. Gaillardias was one of my favorite. That one was 14 feet tall and 48 foot long. Most of my studio stuff isn't quite that large. A lot of the ones that you're looking at right now are just 16 by 20s, smaller, sometimes sketches. Sometimes the sketches are meant for larger paintings and studies later on. But I never grow tired of them. I never have. All the different subjects and different things that I've done throughout the years, this is what I go back to time and time again. Here in Tennessee, where I live now, they're not as prolific. Obviously, I'm spoiled by the Texas wildflowers on the roadsides, but this is more of a garden variety, and I'll cultivate them and I grow them in my garden. Every time I step out and I see them, I get the urge to paint. So this is a culmination of literally decades. Some of the photos are in have better quality than others. Some are photos of photos. I had a fire in my studio many years ago and damaged a lot of my negatives and my pictures. And if you've made it this far on this and you're not subscribing to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. And I'm always welcoming comments, criticisms, suggestions, just conversations. Let me know what you think. I am still working on tutorials, and I'm sure that in the near future I will be doing one on painting Gaillardias. Actually, what I've got on the easel right now is thistles, sea hollies, and that one is coming up shortly. But in the meantime, I was just in a Gaillardia mood today, and I decided to pull up one of my files where I put my pictures, and it grows, it continues to grow. I thought I'd share it. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and just enjoy the rest of the paintings, the slides. Thank you for visiting.